Hey guys, it's Cassie coming at you with another video, and for today's video we are going to be doing a trending video. Now the trend is I followed such and such beauty guru's makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be copying Kelsey Simone's makeup tutorial, well, one of them. And I chose her because a lot of her looks are very natural and they're very like glowy skin, and I love that look. I'm going to be following her New Year's glitter liner tutorial because that's the most recent tutorial that she put out that wasn't like, you know, throw on some tinted moisturizer and that's it. And yeah, let's just get right on into the video, guys. I'm not the prettiest you've ever seen, but I have my moment. So I just can't justify spending almost $500 on makeup for one video. I didn't get like any of the same products. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a lot of dupes. I did splurge and get the little mini Benefit Roller Lash because that's her favorite, so I had to make sure I got this. Alright, so pulling up her video.
Hello everybody, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. It's got a gold glitter liner, perfect for the New Year's and any sort of holiday party you may have. We're going to start off and we're going to moisturize my lips because it's the winter time, you know, everybody's getting a little chapped.
So I'm just going to use some of my Blistex and yeah. I know you're jealous, I'm so bougie.
I'm going to put my hair up so I don't get makeup in my hair because that's kind of gross.
And done.
To prime my face, I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer.
So I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I usually use this as a face primer anyway, so let's see what's next.
And then we're going to go straight onto foundation. I'm using the Laura Mercier Illuminating Tinted Moisturizer. You guys know this is like my go-to, and this is in the shade Natural Radiance.
I think she has a different one than me because the one that I have, it looks like it's in a different packaging, but it is the illuminating one. This is the broad spectrum one. I don't know if she has that one. Natural Radiance is actually really dark, I found out. I do self-tan just like she does. My tan isn't like as dark as hers. Like you see it in here, and she looks like she's got a tan. I look like I'm still paper white. It doesn't look like it would be absolutely horrible, but when you spread it out, it's quite dark. But it might just be the wrong foundation. I'm just gonna keep telling myself that.
I'm gonna be using a lot of Laura Mercier brushes like this one. This is their flat top foundation brush. They sent them to me, so I thought I'd try them out, and I actually liked every single one. So now onto concealer. Well, technically it's not a concealer, it's an under eye brightener. This is from YSL, but since it doesn't have a lot of coverage, I'm going to use it to sort of brighten up my face under where I contour, you know, on my forehead, the tip of my nose, my chin, and then we're going to blend. This brush is not from the set. This one is from e.l.f.
Alright, I think she said she's using an e.l.f. powder brush to blend it out. I think she leaves it on her jawline until after she's finished contouring.
And then I'm going to set all of that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and a Laura Mercier, I think this is their concealer or like their powder concealer brush.
Okay, I'm going to be setting it with my Airspun powder. Do I have a concealer brush? Yes I do. Well, I don't know if it's clean, but we're going to use it.
And I'm just going to set underneath my eyes as well as my eyelids because they get sort of greasy and that's not cute.
Her eyelids.
And then I'm also going to set my smile lines because I find sometimes my makeup cakes up there.
Yes, mine too, girl. Mine too. My smile lines are the absolute worst when it comes to creasing and caking up and crap like that. I have to do this like creepy side smile to find out where the heck my smile lines are.
Then we're going to go straight into bronzer. This is the Sun Bunny bronzer from Too Faced. I'm going to take my really huge fluffy Marc Jacobs brush.
I do have this Milani bronzer XL All Over Glow that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brush. It kind of looks like the one that she's using.
We're still going to like pinpoint it and really chisel ourselves out. You know, you kind of want to look like this guy. And
I love Doctor Who. It looks like from there she's going to clean up the concealer.
Now highlighting. This is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. My absolute fave. You guys know, oh, this is like my child. I love it so much.
I actually went and I was going to buy the Gilded Honey Laura Geller highlighter, But when I got there, it was gorgeous, but there was a lot of glitter. I like it when the highlighter looks like it's just wet skin. So I'm going to be using a ColourPop highlighter in the shade Glazed.
Use a La Mercier fan brush, spray it with some spray, and ba-bam, look at that, super glowing.
While she's having a little moment with her highlighter, I'm going to start putting on mine. I'm just use my rose water spray again because she's using like a grape water for hers. Ooh. Should she put it on the full forehead? Because I feel like this is a lot.
And then I'm going to set my face. We'll just sort of hydrate it with the Caudalie. This is the grape water that I got for Christmas. Then for my brows,
So she's basically not using setting spray. Instead, she's using her grape water. I'm just going to use my rose water spray. Girl, you're looking glowy AF right now. Alright, so she's moving into the brows. So what I have right here is the Control Free Eyebrow Gel in clear, because she uses 2 brow gels, and the Ardell in dark brown. Alright, let's see how she does it.
I'm going to use both of these Glossier, the boy brows. First, I'm going to go in with the clear one, and then I'm going to go in with the tinted boy brow.
My brows look good.
I'd normally keep them just like this, but since we're doing more of a high glam,
I normally keep mine just like this too.
I am going to fill them in even more to define them with a pencil. The pencil that I use is the Dior Brow Styler.
Okay, so I've got a really, really tiny little eyebrow brush as well. NYX, you're helping a girl out. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So,
make little light strokes, just like an underline of the shape of my eyebrow, and then I'll use the spoolie brush at the other end of the pencil to just sort of blend it up. I am going to conceal them. I use the same under eye brightener from before with this sort of square brush.
Okay, so we're going back in with concealer. Let me find a concealer brush real quick. Alright, so I'm going to be using an angled brush for this. This gives you that I just got my eyebrows done look. Oh, that just came off of my concealer brush. Ooh, good thing I caught that before I went any further.
But now that my face makeup's done, you can take your hair down and we're going to move straight on to the eyes. We're going to go into eyeshadow with the Tartelette In Bloom Tarte palette. Now I'm going to take this Smarty Pants color.
Alright, so the Smarty Pants shade that she's looking at is actually this really pretty cool tone neutral brown that has this burnt orange undertone, and I actually did not find one eyeshadow that could work, but I got 2 Buxom eyeshadows. I've got one in Invite Only, and this is that burnt orange undertone, and then I've got the other one in Gimme Gorgeous. This is the cool toned side of that eyeshadow. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting Invite Only down first, and then I'm going to be putting Gimme Gorgeous on top. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics contour brush.
And just a sort of fluffy circular crease brush from the La Mercier set. I'm going to take that in my crease as well as pack that onto the outer corner of my bottom lid. And then I sort of clean that up again with the same precise brush, and I'll drag that on my bottom lash line. Now I take this Funny Girl color.
This is literally the same, if not better, than the Tarte eyeshadow. It's got the same pinky undertone. It's got the same really reflective properties.
It's like a champagne sort of shimmery glittery color. And then moving straight onto the eyeliner. So this liner is a liquid liner from NYX.
Alright, so we took a little break because my camera battery died, and I also closed the blinds. At this point, the sun is getting to the point where it's going to be directly at me. Alright, so from where we left off, she started putting on her mascara.
Now for the mascara, but you want to get like a really nice coat on your top and bottom lashes. It's so good, and ew, I hate watching this part, but I'm tightlining my eyes.
I did get the NYX waterproof eyeliner pencil. I'm going to attempt to tightline my eyeline as well. Hi. Can I help you?
Hi.
Hi. You want to come up here? No?
You're enjoying your little space?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing? Where's Josh?
It's on his way. I believe.
You believe?
I believe.
I believe I can fly. I'm really loving how this is turning out so far. Like, I'm very impressed.
And then for my lashes, I don't remember what brand these are. They might be Ardell, but they are in the style Wispies.
These look like the same thing as what she has. So I'm hoping that they are, because she said she thought they were Ardell anyway. Okay, so I'm not sure if these are the same ones, because these go literally, they're touching my eyebrow right now. I think I'm going to go without the lashes, because these are a little crazy, and I don't think I would wear these in a real life scenario in the first place, because they're just so long.
I'm going to go onto my lips with the Natasha Denona lip liner in the shade L5.
The color that she's using is like a burnt orange, which is kind of the theme of what she's doing with her face.
Just something close to your natural lip color, and then I just sort of put this nude NARS gloss over the top from their Man Ray collection, but go ahead and use whatever color you want. And yeah, that is it for the whole look. I did some setting spray, and then, oh yeah, I love doing this part. I love putting just highlighter on my shoulders, even getting it on your collar, but look at that. You could see, wow, it looks so great. It just really adds a nice touch, nice pop.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that was me recreating or following Kelsey Simone's makeup tutorial. I think it came out great. I love the eyes. Obsessed with the eyes and the lashes and just most of this look. So if you liked it, please hit subscribe, like the video, comment down below letting me know what you think and how close I got to the real thing. And these again are my socials down here, and I will see you in my next video. Oh wait, we gotta do the Kelsey Simone way of signing off. Mwah!